everybody, it's Joe with Just Jeep It, and we're on location at Jordan's Garage Mahal.
Hey everybody!
Howdy, howdy.
What's up, Andy?
Yo,
Here's our foreman. Here's our lead mechanic who just stripped the threads out of a bolt for using the wrong tool and told him not to use it.
I had nothing to do with it.
It wasn't my fault.
Oh yeah, so we got some stuff going on here today, baby. Oh yeah, that bolt should hold. Looks pretty. Oh yeah. There's the recommended distance between the tie rod and the steering knuckle. Good. Look at this beautiful 91 YJ all worked out. We're gonna get this thing off the lift and get it out on the trail. So as soon as the tech gets done working on this in a couple hours, we'll be good to go.
Lucy?
Yeah, righty loosey, lefty tighty. Yep, that's it.
Yep, you got it.
It's not just for plumbing.
Well,
It hangs right here.
where would you put the heat? Show me where you put the heat on that.
Well, we haven't. I would probably heat up. I'm dicking around over here. Getting all upset at my kids.
Did we get that? Oh yeah.
It might be right by like a quarter of an inch.
Really? Okay. It might be the bed messing with me too, but yeah.
No, I think you're right by about a quarter of an inch.
You know, if that went straight across, it would be about probably less than an inch from the cover.
Yeah.
So that would be pretty close.
So actually, and if we want to bend this back, the way to do it is to drive it up against a rock.
Yeah.
And just drive forward.
I don't know if you want to do that though. That might actually serve you pretty well.
We're going to tighten this thing down and see what happens.
Yeah. Again, without the impact.
But it's all the way over here.
I don't get it.
No,
It's using the
no,
right socket and everything.
all right, where did you hide my impact?
Oh,
Jordan, use
right
the
there.
impact. Oh look,
It was fun until.
it's in the house.
I couldn't find it.
So that, yes, yeah. So that's tapered, right? So I don't want to like really crank on it, do I?
What? Tighten up.
It's tapered, right? So like, it may not suck up a whole lot further.
It's tapered, yeah. It won't go
Now I
up any
just-
higher.
What?
No, I just broke it.
What did you do that for?
You didn't break it? What, the castle nut?
Yeah,
Let me see.
it's fun.
You spin the threads out of it?
Yeah, I think so.
You might have spun the threads out of the bolt.
I think I.
That's it. Yeah, the bolt's trashed. Wow. Yeah, okay, so the thing that broke it.
Seems like ratchet.
Ooh, glad I didn't say use the impact.
So that impact then is the reason why my motor mount in the LJ is welded on.
Oh, really? You broke the bolt?
It was the night before like KnackFest,
Uh-huh.
and I'm putting it in. I'm all happy. I'm doing my thing, and I'm gonna run this thing, and it broke the stud right off of the mount. And I went,
Oh, my God.
You know,
it's like 10 o'clock at night. I'm leaving the next morning. I'm like, zzz, 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 done. I even texted you guys. I was like, what do I do? Do I just burn it on? And you're all like, burn it on, baby!
Oh, I remember that, yeah.
Okay.
Jeez.
Old school.
17, 16, 50.
That sounds like 2.
Nailed it.
It was just funny. But there's a show called Botch. It's on.
That's how you get that done.
One of the top cable channels.
screwed up threads in the valve stem. He's got scalpel.
So this is the gear shifter,
Gear, yeah.
and this is the
Oh,
steering
that's
wheel.
the gear.
Wait a
This
minute.
is the gear shifter.
Hold on.
I got it.
Oh, let's turn the
Wait.
fog on.
It's the black one.
The fog machine.
Fog machine, yes.
Is that how you put it in reverse?
Not yet.
Pressure on.
Ooh, that feels good, actually.
That's it. It's right under your seat.
I want to take this thing without. There's the lawnmower. You got tons of room in it.
Let's go in second.
I gotta take the Jeep on it, man.
I remember my gloves. I think I did. Back there.
Oh, they're here with me.
Oh, watch out, dog. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, don't get down.
Oh, really? It's interesting. You can let go of the key and it just keeps trying to hold it. Yeah. Well, I gave it gas there. It didn't get too far. Give it a Oh, because it's all done. Did you have this thing back there with the tires working now? So this right here is the problem.
You'll make it.
I know I will, but if we, I just kissed it.
Well,
No, I don't think it got hurt.
Justin and I cut a trail that goes all the way back to the cabin.
Oh, okay. Stay up here, right? Oh, right there.
Oh, nature.
Nature!
Son of a bitch.
Okay, I might need four-wheel drive now. Let's see.
Well, let's see.
Not yet.
Should be alright. Oh my god!
Oh, God. Am I going that way?
No, well, you can if you want to, but we normally go down. See where that?
Oh, go
sandy
down and then
spot
go
is?
right where this go on the beach.
Yeah, I see.
Yep. You
Yeah.
drive out over the beach.
Going
Andy,
to
this
the
looks
beach.
more fun.
Let's see. Think I should?
Yeah,
I
you
can
go
get in
down
there.
around.
No, like right through here. Can I get out the other side?
Yeah. You drove your Jeep through there once.
Yeah, but that was my Jeep. That was like.
We should probably go straight. We should probably hit the beach. Yeah.
My foot keeps slipping way off of this. clutch
Oh,
pedal.
there's the floor floor mat.
Yeah, give me that whole mat. I'll
Stock
just get it
floor
back
mat
here.
is
Yeah,
yeah.
I got it there.
Yeah, sort it out.
Come on, baby. That's falling on our heads.
Much roll bar. window net there, Jordan. Oh, sire!
Whatever. Hold your boobs.
Oh, yeah.
I found the gas pedal somehow.
On the gas pedal.
I don't know how.
First order of business, swapping an automatic.
Oh, come on.
Nah.
I'm going up where?
Straight, right there, right? Yeah. And you're gonna turn to the right once you get up the little hill.
My foot keeps slipping way forward on the pedal. It's not the mat, it's just like my foot. Slippery.
Oh, oh, God. Yeah, baby. This fucking thing rocks. Holy shit, man. Nice job, Bubs.
I only bounced out on my seat once.
All right, so the trail that
Woo!
Justin and I made.
I found the gas pedal somehow. I don't know how.
Yeah, baby. This fucking thing rocks. Holy shit, man. Nice job, Bubs.
I only bounced out on my seat
fine.
once.
All right, so the trail that
Woo!
Justin and I made.
Okay.
Just like that.
All right. What's that? Climbing up there? Okay. Yeah, buddy.
Come back right, a little bit straight. Okay, that's Dude, that was some good.
Sorry,
riding,
man.
Joey.
I'm sorry, brother.
No, it's not your fault. The stem came off. See?
Oh, the stem came off. Okay.
It sticks out so far.
Okay.
No,
All right.
you didn't do
So
anything
I
wrong.
thought I'm like, oh shit, I just ruptured this fucking guy's tire.
No. We'll just change the that.
Do you have a stem puller? I have a stem puller.